I'm Taylor Letandre. I'm 20 years old and I'm a welder. I'm Aboriginal, First Nation. I'm from Treaty 2, Fairford Reservation, or Penamutang. I moved to Winnipeg when I was in grade 3, and from there on I just started living out here. This is your collet body. This is what goes right here. I'm just working with a welding summer camp for now, just in the meantime till college picks back up. That's how you set up your TIG gun. We'll put it together basically. Right now I have my stick welding all position CWB tickets, and I'm going back for my MIG welding all position tickets, and to go back and just touch up on a little bit more of my TIG. Grab a helmet. I was in grade 10 when I came across welding. There was a presentation at my school talking about how they needed people in trades, especially women. So it just kind of inspired me to get into there. So the next year, grade 11, that's when I decided to go in welding. I'm just teaching him how to run a simple bead. I've done a few types of welding. I was working at a job last year and I was making drains for car washes, swimming pools, breweries, other stuff like that, certain stuff like that. That was my first welding job. Gonna push it along. You can kind of do a little circle, just like a motion to get it going. I hope like me teaching here encourages some girls to get into the trade, because the person that came to talk to me, there was a woman talking about how they need welders, and that's what encouraged me to get into this job. And I thought, might as well just try it, because you know my school offers it, so why not? When you like sharpen it, you don't want to do it this way. You want to do it with the way it's going. Yeah. A lot of employers are looking for Indigenous people, Indigenous female workers. So I'd say it's a really good opportunity to jump on that and learn a trade. You should become a welder if you like making things, or if you like being hands-on with what you're doing. It's a really hands-on learning type of process.